the codes of light you carry inside. Anchor a new way of life. Heart-centered being, awareness and seeing. You are out on the leading.
Hey guys, so just a quick announcement. I recently started a Patreon, so if you would like to support the creation of my videos on my YouTube channel, the link to that is down in the description down below. I have a bunch of really cool rewards. The best of which is that if you pledge a certain amount, I will shout out one of your social media accounts or your business, or a social media account or business of something you'd like to support. So feel free to check that out in the description down below. I'm really excited to be stepping into a new level for my YouTube and abundance and all of that stuff. So thank you so much if you pledge. If not, it's all good. Just putting it out there. Many blessings, you guys. Mwah. Hi guys, my name is Beck and welcome to my soul journey video. Today we are doing another reveal of the 4Ocean bracelet for June. Well, reveal for a 4Ocean bracelet for June. Yeah, right? Okay. This is for a subscription that I get every month from the company 4Ocean that it's 7 days a week. They're out on the ocean collecting trash and plastic out of the ocean, and they make their bracelets out of 100% recycled material. So the plastic bracelet itself is from plastic from the ocean, the glass beads are from recycled glass from the ocean, and the metal is as well. So when you purchase a bracelet for $20, that is sponsoring a pound of trash being pulled out of the ocean. They've only been around a little over a year now, about a year and a half, and in their first year they pulled 250,000 pounds of trash out of the ocean. This year their goal is 1 million, and they've already pulled 250,000 pounds of trash out of the ocean, and they're not even halfway through the year yet. So it's really exciting. If you want to check out their website, the link is down below. It's an amazing project. It was started by two surfers, young guys, so it's a really cool thing. So this year they decided to do a monthly subscription. So every month a new bracelet comes out. They don't tell us what it's going to look like, and 10% of that goes to a certain charity for either, you know, like sharks or whales or coral reefs or estuaries or whatever that is. Now I put out of my mind what the different topics were because I wanted to be surprised every month, and I don't know what this looks like. So I'm really excited. As a subscriber, I get the bracelet a few weeks early, so this is still May. I'm getting the June bracelet, but these bracelets will be available for 1 month and then they're no longer available. So if you like this bracelet, definitely go and head over to 4Ocean and check it out. I want to say this video is not sponsored. I just really love this project, and I want as many people as I can to go and support this project. It's very important. So I'm super excited to open this up. This is a serious passion of mine. I just love the company so much. All right, let's open it up. I want to also mention that all their packaging is eco-friendly. It's all made from 100% recycled materials. The ink is water-based. It's really an amazing company. So, ooh, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Sea turtles! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Okay. Cool. Okay. Here we go. All right. Sea turtles. All right. So in each little box, they give you a 4Ocean sticker and a little 1 pound sticker that's the color of the bracelet. So it's super excited for that. So here's the sea turtles. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Billions of pounds of plastic and trash enter the ocean every year, creating a serious threat to many of the species of sea turtles that call it home. Ocean plastic and marine debris are particularly dangerous for sea turtles because they can mistake it for food and ingest it, or the turtles can become entangled in them, causing harm or even death. To help stop this from happening, we remove 1 pound of trash from the ocean and coastline for each bracelet purchased. We have also partnered with the FAU Marine Research Lab so that every bracelet sold helps further their research and conservation efforts to increase sea turtle numbers in the wild. The sea turtle bracelet represents your support. Oh my god, I love that. I love sea turtles. So pretty. Okay, so this is the sea turtle little box. In the first month we got a little like case, and then each bracelet comes in its own little like booklet. So So you open this up. This is the bracelet. It's a lime green. It reminds me a lot of the Earth Day one, which was a little darker, but it was funny. Last month I kind of was like saying how there wasn't a whole lot of variety in bracelet color, and I was hoping they'd have more variety. So again, it's like green or blue. But the irony is that I said that when the whale bracelet came out, which was this one, and honestly it's become like my favorite one. So no judgment. I know the oceans are green and blue, so a lot of things in it are green and blue. I just like the color variety, so we'll see how that goes. The sea turtle bracelet. Ingesting ocean plastic and debris is a major problem for sea turtles. It is our mission to help stop this from happening. Every bracelet purchase will remove a pound of trash from the ocean and coastlines to contribute to turtle preservation. I will say, like, one of the first videos I saw about like how much there was in the ocean was that video, I'm sure you've seen it, where the sea turtle's got a straw stuck all the way up its nose and they think it's like a worm or something. They pull it out and it's literally been like lodged almost up in its brain. It's so sad. It's just disgusting. It's estimated that over half of all sea turtles have ingested some form of plastic. Each bracelet supports sea turtle conservation and research. The sex of a sea turtle hatchling is based on nest temperature. Warmer is female, cooler is male. So that's a perfect example. So climate change could actually affect turtle reproduction. So that's like crazy. Together with the FAU Marine Research Lab, we will be helping to educate the world about the many issues that sea turtles face, as well as supporting their efforts to increase sea turtle numbers in the wild. This bracelet represents your support. This bracelet is made from recycled materials. Learn more. Visit 4Ocean.com. Oh, so that's what I was gonna say. When you go to 4Ocean, unless you get like hired by them, you can't actually do the ocean cleanups because they have to be like trained. But if you put in your email and where you live, they will contact you when they're in your area so they can help with beach cleanups, which is super, super cool, which is actually a lot of the cleanups they do because that actually helps it not even go into the ocean. So that's super exciting. So this is actually really pretty. This is a lot lighter than the green Earth Day one. I'm loving this. And I mean the Earth Day one from last year. The Earth Day one from this year, I believe, had green and blue in it. But this is so pretty. I hope you can see that. It's like a very, very pale green. I love it. So I have this and this. So awesome. So I'm going to put this on. Honestly, guys, this is one of my favorite times of the month. Like when I see that like the purchase has gone through every month for my new bracelet, I get super excited. I check the mail every day. It's like a whole thing. It's something I'm just really, really passionate about. And like I said, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I just think what they're doing is absolutely amazing. Our oceans are a huge, crucial part of our ecosystem as human beings on planet Earth, and there is such a lack of awareness to how we are affecting our planet. There is no planet B. We need to take care of our planet. So every little bit helps. Even if you buy one bracelet, you know, if everyone bought a bracelet, that's 7 billion pounds. And let me just tell you, 1.1 billion pounds of trash goes into our oceans every year. So this year they want to pull out 1 million, but it's still just the beginning. So tell your friends, share this video. Go buy a bracelet, sign up to help with beach cleanups. Every little bit does help, and it's so important that we understand that if we expect our neighbor to always do it, it's never going to get done because our neighbor is going to expect us to do it. So get on board. Let's be the change we wish to see in the world. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. My other social media links are in the description down below, my Etsy, my Instagram, and my GoFundMe if you want to help support my channel. Many blessings, guys. Namaste. And don't forget, it's all about the soul journey.